Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 19. So especially for beginners but also for intermediate ABAP developers, if you would like to get to know more transactions, it can be overwhelming at first. So I've already made an own video how you can find the corresponding transaction or the transaction that you need. But what I recommend is if you would like to get to know more about a specific area, I recommend using area menus. And here in the standard, so if you are in the SAP Start menu, then you can enter the S000, hit the enter key, and then probably for you it doesn't change anything because the S000 is the default area menu that will be displayed by default, but without having anything changed. If you would like to change the default area menu, by the way, you can do this within the transaction SU3 or under System, User Profile, and then User Data. And then here under Defaults, here you can specify the start area menu that you would like to have or be called after logging into the SAP system in the SAP GUI in the SAP Start menu. But going back to the Start menu, so here we have the S000, and what I recommend is using the S001 area menu. And after hitting the enter key here, the SAP Easy Access area menu for the ABAP Workbench is opened up. And here you can see a couple of subfolders for overview, development, test, and utilities. And here you can open them up. And here you have a lot of quite useful transactions collected at once. So if here, by the way, if just the description is showing for you, then under extras and settings, you can select the setting display technical names. So just hit the checkbox, click on continue. And then also at the beginning, the transaction code will be shown for you, because here you can learn the transaction code and later on you can just type in the transaction code to easier move from one transaction to another one. But here, as we can see the object navigator, very important transaction code. We can see the transport organizer. We can see the ABAP dictionary, the ABAP editor, function builder, class builder. This SQL trace, very important. So a lot of very important transactions at once. And in addition to the S001, you can also use the SDW0. So if you type in the area menu, then here you probably have a little more transactions that you can explore, just execute and get to know them. Because here a lot of useful transactions regarding ABAP are collected. And an additional tip, if you would like to search within this area menu, then you can just simply use the key combination Control and F. And here you can decide if you would like to search in technical names or in text. Here I would like to search in both areas. And here, for example, just enter ABAP, hit the enter key, and then here you can see that we're jumping to ABAP dictionary. So directly this has been focused, and with double click you can directly jump into this transaction and call this. So yeah, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment sections, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 81 great videos left about useful tips and tricks in ABAP. So thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.